Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews, back in another video. Today, I'm be doing a review of some RGB light bars, alright? From a company called TZUMI or something like that. TZUMI, I guess. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? Once we hit that 2,000 subscriber mark. Alright? Now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright, like I said, I'm reviewing some light bars I found out on at Walmart. I recently went out of town and I was walking through that Walmart and I saw these light bars. I said, I thought they were the Philips Hue ones, but they're not. And see, I'm going to show you right here the Philips Hue lights. Their light bar is $69.99. And I found these, come on to focus, I found these light bars at the Walmart for $8.99. And that's they look pretty much almost the same. As you can see right there, I hope you can see it, but they look almost the same. So I was like, that's like $8.99 compared to $69 right here at Best Buy. And that's pretty much any big box store. The Philips Hue version is going to be $69.99 a piece. So I was like, I mean, what I got to lose? I said, well, let me go and try these out. Now, it's a big difference. You could tell the quality is not as good quality as the Philips Hue brand, but they have some different features. But I'm like, really, I really wasn't missing too much. But let me go ahead and show you the product. I already got one out of the box I've been using and testing out right here. And it looks just like the Philips Hue brand. They come with a little stand right here you screw it together. And it uses a uses a USB cord to plug in, and it's already plugged directly in it, so it's like you can't use no other cord. It just comes with the cord already attached. So but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna plug this one up, and also come with a remote, but you'll see when I unbox it. Let me go ahead and plug this one up, and you see it's already on, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off real quick with a remote. I'm gonna set that one to the side. And see this is the empty box. I'm gonna set it to the side, and open up the brand new box so you can see exactly what you get inside. All right, here we go. Got the little rainbow unboxing knife on deck. Bow, got it unlocked. There we go. Shouldn't have to need the unboxing knife no more. But I'm gonna show you the box. Now I looked at when I got back in town, I looked at my local Walmart. I only looked at one around my local Walmart, and I didn't find them here. So it's like some Walmarts have things that other Walmarts don't have. It's like you might go out of state somewhere, and say you go to Florida, they Walmart might have something that your Walmart doesn't have. So some Walmarts carry certain products that others don't. So and I was just lucky to come up on these bad boys. You can see the box that says ILLUMALIGHT Multicolor Light Bar, and it says right here, customized settings, atmospheric, I hope I'm not destroying that word, RGB glow, and remote and app control. Now I didn't test the app control yet, but I just tested the remote. But I'm probably gonna be testing that later on the app, because I didn't try it because I got so many apps downloaded. It's crazy. But anyway, and here's the other side of the box. Say the same thing on this side. You can see how it looks. It looks just like the Philips Hue brand. I'm like, wow, for the fraction of the price. I mean, shoot, you basically saving yourself $60 by getting these right here. It has like RGB right here, and that's the name of the company, TZUMI, TZUMI, or Zumi, whatever you want to say, And here's the back of the box. And it show you. I'm gonna read the back of the box for you. It says, enhance your home atmosphere with a personalized lighting experience. ILLUMALIGHT is fully custom. Man, can't get it out. customers up. I'm gonna skip that word anyway. Via remote and mobile app, transforming your space with a soft RGB glow in the color of your choice. Perfect for living rooms, offices, and more. The sleek design adds a tailor-made touch. That's pretty cool. Horizontal or vertical stand, full RGB spectrum, color with app and remote control. It says set any color and the pattern you want, and you can see all this right here, and it shows you you can download the app from the App Store. If you got an Apple phone or you got an Android phone, go to Google Play Store and download their app, which I haven't done yet, but I plan on doing. But I just wanted to bring you these real quick because I was excited to get it, and I want to go ahead and have these set up. So that's pretty much on the outside of the box. Let's go ahead and open the bad boy up and see what you get. Alright, because like I said, I already opened up one, so I've been testing it out for a while and seeing how it works. But I didn't use the app because I feel like, you know, it got a remote. I didn't need the app because I got the remote. Alright, that's all that's in the box. Toss the box to the side. Here is the light itself. As you can see, got the USB right here. So we plug it in. I got a power bank on deck, so I'm using the power bank to charge them up. So you really don't have to plug it into a wall or something if you don't want to, but you can if you want to. And like if you want to plug these in the back of your TV and have them light up the back of the TV, you just plug it into the little USB port back there. You're good to go. So I'm gonna put that down, show you what else you get in the box. You get the little books and instructions and all that stuff, and you get a remote control. All right, and then you get 2 screws. No, you get 1 screw, and that's for the little bracket to put on it to mount it, so you can set it either horizontal or vertical. All right. So I'm gonna put some of this aside, move that plastic out of the way, open up the remote, and you can see right here they got the little bring it closer where you can see. They have like a little plastic tab. I don't know if you guys see that little plastic tab right there to protect the battery, so the battery wouldn't wear out before you purchase it. And let's see how easy this is to open. Okay, slides right out. Have a small battery. What size of a 3-volt battery? A CR2025 battery. Bam. Let's see, is there any plastic? It feels like there's a little plastic film on here. Well, let's check out the remote control. You have like the brightness control, to make it bright, or to dim it controls right here, on and off buttons on the remote. And you got the red, green, and blue, and then you have all other colors of the spectrum right here. And it has, the flash mode, has strobe mode, fade mode, and smooth mode. All right. Pretty good deal. A little small remote. Pretty good deal. So I'm going to set that one to the side because I don't want to get them mixed up. This one, I'm going to set it up vertical. And hopefully I got a screwdriver on deck, which I should have had before I started the video. But let's see if we can do this real quick. Take the screw out. Come on, screw. Come on out. Come on out. Take the screw out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this one vertical. Do it like this, as so. Put your screw in here. Let me find a screwdriver. Okay, we back. I got a screwdriver with my little multi-tool. Alright, let me see if I go ahead and get this bad boy in here. Bear with me for a minute. Trying to do this on camera and by myself. So let me get this bad boy in here. So it takes a Phillips head screwdriver, cross tip, Phillips head, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna get it in there, screwed in real good. Bam. So I got one sitting vertical and one horizontal. Alright, let's move that multi-tool out of the way. Alright, and like I said, you can plug it into a power bank. So I got a power bank with 4 ports on it. Already got one plugged in. and take this this tire on here off. Then we'll plug this one in. I'll plug it into the other side. Bam. Alright. I turn them both like this so you can see them both. Turn on the power on there. Bam. You see them on, they turned on. Alright. Now check this out. We'll put in a flash mode. That's the oh, it's controlling both of them. Okay. That's in flash mode. And that's crazy because this remote, let's see if this remote does the same thing. Alright. Alright, but I'm gonna turn the flash mode, I'm gonna turn that flash mode off on that one. Let's put it into strobe mode, which looks almost like the flash mode, just a little bit different. And I'm going to put it into fade. And I'm going to put it into smooth. So what I'm seeing right here is looking like you could use one remote control to control two of them, instead of, you know, trying to use separate remote controls. Because, like, matter of fact, let me put it back in the, let me put it to blue. Bam. So you actually could control these bad boys with one remote control. You just keep this one as a spare. So you like, so if I want to change it to green, so if I'm going to push it to green, you have to push it twice to control, to get the other one turned to green. So I'm going to change it to red. I'm going to push red, twice red on that one. So yeah, you could use one. So you could, so you know, you could keep the second remote control as a backup. So you always have a remote. That's pretty cool right there. So you, but the only thing I can see this will be a problem if you have one light sitting behind your TV and one, say, sitting, like in your office or something, one sitting behind the TV and you have another one sitting somewhere else, and you only want to change one color, you might have an issue there. But what I'm seeing right here, you have to click it twice to change the color to get to the second device. So, you know, that's not too much of a deal breaker. Let's change it to white. And I'm gonna turn the lights down in the studio so we can see that. All right, there's my hand, and I'm gonna turn this one back on the side. Get that cord out of the way. That's pretty cool. And this would be cool of making videos. Like if you want to set it on the side and have like some kind of ambiance right there, that's pretty cool right there. And if I want to put it in the smooth mode and have it changing colors, that's pretty cool. That is sick right there. That is cool right there. So, and if I just want to change it to a solid color, bam, have solid color on one side. If I want to change the color to on one side have a red and one side green, you can do it like that. Or to have one side, you know, in the smooth mode or in a different mode, and then you have the other one stay in the solid. That's pretty cool right there. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna turn the lights back up in the studio. Bear with me while I turn these lights up. All right, I got the lights turned back up in the studio. So overall, I think this is a pretty nice little device. You know, nice little slim. Remote comes with it, or you could use the app, which I didn't download the app. I probably should have before I did the video, but I was just too excited to check these out. But this is a pretty good pickup, you know, versus spending $60. And let me give you that. Let me show you that again on Best Buy's website. The Philips Hue brand is $69.99, and these right here are only $8.99. So you do the math. I mean, you save yourself $60. Yeah, you don't have the control like with, you know, you don't have it, you know, synced in with your Alexa or whatever. But that's cool.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
And I forgot to turn Alexa off because she used to listen. But anyway, that, you know, to me, it's not a deal breaker. Especially, you know, those Philips Hue lights are very expensive, and if you're not trying to break the bank, I would say, hey, this is a definite go. This is a definite pickup right here. If you're not trying to break the bank, you're trying to save a few dollars, especially around the holiday season. You know, you're trying to buy gifts for everybody, and hey, instead of spending $60, get you these right here. I mean, you could, you know, like I said, you could control it with the app. Also, you know, get you some smart plugs, and get you a little power brick to plug it into, and then you plug it into a smart plug, so a smart outlet or whatever. Then you can go ahead and control that with your Alexa, and then bam, you almost got it'd be almost like you having a Hue light, but you just won't be able to change the colors like that. But if you have the app, you could change the colors, and that's something I'm gonna read up on to see if this is compatible. If they have a skill on the Amazon app, to see if you can control them through there. And once I do find it out, I'll come back and probably do an update video and let you guys know if you can control them with Alexa. But I know you could control them with Alexa if you have a smart plug. Just plug it in there, and you already have a smart plug to connect it to your Alexa app. Bam, turn it off and on like that. You don't have to worry about the remote control. You just use the remote control to change the colors. Too cool, too easy. All right, but that's been a quick review of these cheap off-brand or knockoff Hue lights from TZUMI or ZUMI or whatever you want to say it right here, ZUMI. Like I said, you know, a very good pickup. Like I say, instead of spending $69, you're spending $8.99, and you're getting something pretty much the same thing, but you know, just, you know, it's cheaper, and you can tell it's cheaply made. You know, you see you can tell it's a cheap plastic, you know, whatever. And you see the hole right here on the side, right here, for if you want to mount it on the side right there, or if you want to have it sitting up vertical. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer, you know, to save that money. I was trying to find them on the Walmart website, and I could not find them nowhere on the Walmart website. I even scanned the box with my Walmart app, and every time I tried to click on it, it would say error. So you just have to, you know, it's just a luck of the draw. If you know, just check your local Walmarts. You know, if you have, you know, multiple Walmarts in your area, just check each one. You might look up, and they might be at that one Walmart. But that's been my quick review of this. Boy, I'm about to knock it down. Knocked it down. Of the ILLUMALIGHT, the knockoff from Philips Hue light bar. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you haven't already, go in and hit that like button, and that really helps the channel. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And tell a friend. Once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is, I'm always saying the message for today is, you know, I've said it a few times, be considerate. What this would be, what I'm saying about being considerate is, you know, be considerate of others' feelings. You know, don't think that everybody wants to do what you want to do all the time. You know, be considerate and realize that sometimes, you know, people might not want to do what you want to do, and that doesn't give you a license to be mad at them because they didn't want to do something that you want to do. You know, so like I say, be considerate, you know, of others and how they feel. You know, and you know, other people are human as well. So you know, that don't give you a license to be mad at somebody else because they don't enjoy what you enjoy. All right. Just be considerate of others, you know what I'm saying? I know I always say be considerate all the time or whatever, but that's one thing that I'm really big on, is being considerate to others, you know what I'm saying? Alright? When you see the mic out, you know it's about what time it is. Drop the mic. I'm out. Peace.